life begins with a beautiful mind.
By this beautiful thought, we the students of class 8G, along with the fellows of our classmates, wishing very bright morning to respected principal sir,
Senior level coordinator,
tireless teachers, and my dear friends. Today is 11th of July, our turn of assembly presentation.
so to inspire an illuminator morning assembly, I would like to call my friends for the thought.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I is here and I, Akshata, are here for thought. So today's thought is look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and find reality. Look within and find yourself. I repeat my thought. Look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and find reality. Look within and find yourself. Wow, what a nice thought, Sia. Let's move for its meaning. So, for meaning, I would like to call Manas and Yugal. The meaning of the thought is whenever you recognize your past, don't regret, but instead learn from the mistakes have you committed and take a lesson so that you can change the way of doing the work. Whenever you look forward in your life, try to find a light of hope and move ahead with a positive mindset and you will make it. So, we hope that this thought is sufficient to motivate you.
Thank you, dear friends, for motivating us.
A new day starts with new belief, new strength and endless possibilities.
Now for updating is most important, so I would like to call up Abigail, Arusha and Shivam for news.
Support from Thailand with a height of vote for PM.
National news, draft norms for exhibition of government released. Sport news, let's end win Canada Open.
School news on 19th July CCA animated story, documentary and football trial will take place. Thank you.
Thank you for updating us. Life fails to be perfect, but never fails to be beautiful. You can't be perfect in life, but to be perfect in English, here we have some idioms. Now I know the meaning of variety spice of life. Right. Could you tell me the meaning of variety spice of life? Okay, my friend, let me tell you the meaning of variety spice of life. It means that by trying good things, you can change your lifestyle. Thank you, dear. Touch someone's heart. What do you mean about it? Make someone feel a particular emotions or the strong feeling. Now, Samriti, you frame the sentence. The handmade bodyguard from the little girl down the road really touched my heart. Wow, nice. Oh, wow, what nice idioms they were.
Could you please repeat them?
Varieties spice of life.
To touch someone's heart.
Thank you for this idiom. Now it's time for the most awaited part of the assembly, which is skit. So here we go.
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Why are you so quiet?
I am thinking that how luxurious life you are living, but I have nothing.
Friend, you are wrong. Let's leave this topic. We will discuss it later.
Okay, let's focus on our studies now.
Okay. May I come to your home for completing homework?
Yes, why not? You can come.
Neeraj, you are back. How was your day?
It was a nice day. He is my friend Shori. He came here for doing homework with me.
Hi dear. Both of you do your work. I am bringing something for you.
Okay, thanks for asking.
Oh Dheeraj, how are you, my dear?
I am fine. How are you?
I am also fine. Is he your friend?
Yes, he is my friend Shori. He came here for doing homework with me.
Dheeraj, first do your homework, then we will play together.
Yes, I will complete my homework soon.
Dheeraj, your family is so good.
Yes, I am so lucky about this.
You were saying that my life is so luxurious. No friend, your life is luxurious. My parents are always busy in their work and do not spend time with me. But your family spend time with you. Now, what is your opinion? Whose life is beautiful? Your mine or
Now I understood that my life is also luxurious.
Life is beautiful one day. 1 hour and 1 minute will not come again in your life.
So avoid fight, angriness and speak lovely to everyone.
You got the message we tried to give by this kid?
Which is you should be happy in your life instead of comparing your life with others.
Thank you for joining this stunning morning assembly.